Today I'm going to be sharing with you a raspberry Jello pretzel salad. It could be used as a side dish or a dessert. It's just so good. It's a dessert, but we have it with our Thanksgiving meal right on our plate with our turkey and our mashed potatoes.
Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to take pretzels. I have these pretzel sticks, and you're going to bang them out until you get about 2 cups. You could do half pretzel and half pecans. I've had it both ways and it's delicious. You're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. You're going to add butter. You can add anywhere from 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup. And this is melted butter. You're going to spread and press evenly into a 9x13 pan. And then you'll bake at 400 degrees for 10 minutes and then let it cool. Then you're going to boil 2 cups of water and then add 1 big package, about 6 ounces of raspberry Jello. Mix that until it's all dissolved. Add 2 packages of frozen raspberries. And you're going to stir them in until they thaw out. You'll need 8 ounces of cream cheese, a cup of sugar. You'll cream together the cream cheese and the sugar, then carefully fold in the large container of Cool Whip, and then spread the mixture over the cooled pretzel mix. Gently pour over the cream cheese filling and chill until set.
Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you soon. Bye.